We're looking at the Ram 1500 2025 Longhorn Edition. And the reason I am shooting this video is for this product here, the console vault. I had previously purchased a Black Horse, and they sold it as something that would fit in this application. It did not work. I then called them and they told me, oh, I got the wrong one, so they sent me the right one, and that also did not work. Problem I had is I wanted something where this, sliding dock goes all the way back, otherwise it's kind of useless. So, in the Ram, you have that guy, and then you hit the second lever, and then you have your second one. Now, I already installed this, but I wanted to show people because it took me way more looking than I thought I would have to make sure I was getting the right thing. I didn't actually put a gun in there because I don't know the YouTube rules, but I did this to show kind of spatially what you could fit in here. You could fit like a Bodyguard 2.0 or like a P365 easily in here. You might be able to fit something larger, but I'll grab a tape measure and give you some dimensions. You're basically looking at easily 3 inches of depth there, closer to 3 1/4, and I don't know why my focus isn't working, but that's basically 2 inches, and doing this one-handed, so you have to give me a little forgiveness, but it's basically a 5-inch opening there, and whatever your width is here. So, you can put your weapon in there, extra mag, or, some extra valuables, whatever. I did buy this magnet. There's sticky tape on the back of it, but, you can put an extra, mag there, or maybe extra set of keys or something, who knows. So it does fit, and, the only downside with this design, which it's not their fault, is there is no room. So you can't even get their keypad versions or their fingerprint. You have to get the key model. It's the only way to keep that low profile enough. So it's the low profile version. I'm not sure if that's their part number, but I went to their website for the sake of this video to see if I could get a part number, and it just says low profile. So but very well made. The installation is extremely easy. I'll show you something here. When you put it in, the truck has these guys. I didn't have to take anything out of the truck. I didn't have to modify anything in the truck. You kind of slip it in under these, and that's it. They actually give you these bolts that have a threaded hole. So you start your bolts, and then you get, a ratchet or whatever. And I used a power ratchet, but you just drive them in. That's it. It literally took me like 5 minutes. And another nice thing is you do have this space here. So you can kind of have something rattling around in here, and when you open this, it does have a place to go. I imagine you could probably put something here to kind of give you a segmented area so you don't have to worry about things getting caught up. So anyway, nice product for these guys. They did a very good job, and I'd recommend it to anyone.